Good morning, students. So in this class we will discuss calculation of number of atoms in one unit cell, that is calculation of number of atoms in per unit cell. So in the previous class we already discussed what is unit cell and the types of unit cell. So just recall what is unit cell. It is the smallest portion of the crystal lattice, or the smallest portion of the crystal is called as unit cell anta karitire. So again, based upon the position of the constituent particles which are present in the unit cell, we have mainly two types of unit cell: simple cubic unit cell, which is also called as primitive unit cell, and second type of the unit cell is centered unit cell. So in centered unit cell again you have three types: body centered unit cell, face centered unit cell, and end centered unit cell. So in those unit cells, how many number of the atoms are present ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ in this class we will discuss. So it means that, so in per unit cell, what is the total number of the total number of particles, total number of the atoms ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that is calculation of number of atoms in per unit cell. So in that, first we will calculate for simple cube. Simple cubic unit cell. It is also called as primitive unit cell. Primitive unit cell, simple cubic unit cell or primitive unit cell. So in one simple cubic unit cell atandra adalli total number of the atoms ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, that we have to calculate now. So for that, first I will one more time I will write an diagram, schematic representation of simple cubic unit cell. Okay, this is simple cube or simple cubic unit cell. So you already know, so in the simple cubic unit cell, the constituent particles are present only at 8 corners. Unit cell having 8 corners and 6 faces and 1 body center. So this is the unit cell. So this unit cell has 8 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 body center and 6 faces. So left face, so this is one face, right face, above, below, is square bracket irtakanta one face, so this square bracket one more face. So totally unit cell consists of 8 edges, 6 faces and 1 center of the body. So only, so in that unit cell dalli ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ one unit cell, present in per unit cell. Per unit cell is nothing but in one unit cell. It means that simple cubic unit cell ಅಥವಾ primitive unit cell ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ atoms present ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು we have to calculate. So we know that in a simple cubic unit cell dalli constituent particles are present only at 8 corners. So this is a corner particle 1, 2, 3, 4, next 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the nature, characteristics, property of simple cubic unit cell means a type of unit cell in which constituent particles are present only at 8 corners. The type of the unit cell is called as simple cubic unit cell. And kindly note that ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1/8 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 2 3. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬಿಲೋ 3 6 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಜಾಯ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 more. ಸೊ 2 more sharing of the constituent particles. Therefore total contribution of the corner particles in the crystal system is 1/8. Therefore in a simple cubic unit cell there are 8 corner particles. 8 corner particles irutte whose contribution is 1/8. The contribution of corner particles or sharing of the corner particles, contribution of corner particles is 1/8. So in case of simple cubic unit cell we have 8 corner particles. Simple cubic unit cell ನಲ್ಲಿ 8 corner particles ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್, ಅದರದ್ದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಸೇರಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, 1/8 ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ per unit cell of simple cube, that is equals to 8 particles are present at 8 corners. Okay, so here numbering 8 indicates the number of particles which are present at 8 corners and whose contribution, that is contribution of each corner particle, that is 1/8. 1/8 contribution or the sharing of the constituent particle, that is 1/8. So here 1/8 numbering indicates sharing of the constituent particles which are present at 8 corners. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇದೊಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ BCC as well as FCC you yourself easily can calculate. See, so we are calculating the number of atoms which are present in different types of unit cell. So in that we are working on simple cubic unit cell. So simple cube having 8 corner particles. Okay, in case of simple cube the constituent particles are present or the constituent particles occupy only at 8 corners. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು 8 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ದು ಸೇರಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಜನ ಇದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸೇರಿಂಗ್, 50%. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 1/2 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೊ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೇರಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ 1/8. So therefore total number of atoms which are present in the simple cubic unit cell, 8 constituent particles at 8 corners into each constituent particle contribution is 1/8. If we simplify this one, that is 8 into 1/8 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, therefore you will get only 1 atom. Therefore the total number of atoms which are present in the simple cubic unit cell or primitive unit cell, that is 1 atom. So ಒಂದು atom ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು, so in case of simple cubic unit cell, that is the total number of the atoms present in the simple cubic unit cell during a formation of entire crystal, that is 1 atom. Don't get confusion here. So you may getting a confusion. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಸೊ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ 1 atom, ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿ. So these points indicates lattice points. So these are also called as constituent particles. If you talk ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ದಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಆಟಮ್ಸ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ at 8 corners and the corner particle contribution is 1/8. Hence the total number of the atoms which are present in each simple cubic unit cell is how many? That is only one atom. So in this manner we can calculate similarly for face centered cubic unit cell as well as body centered cubic unit cell. So this is first one.
ಅಥವಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, in a simple cubic unit cell or in primitive unit cell the constituent particles are present at 8 corners. The particles which are present at 8 corners whose contribution is 1/8, which means that if you cut these particles which are present at 8 corners, whose contribution will get 1/8. So on joining all these constituent particles which are present at 8 corners, we will get total number of atoms in primitive unit cell or in simple cubic unit cell is 1 atom. Similarly, we will discuss for BCC unit cell.
BCC unit cell, body centered cubic unit cell. In short it is represented as BCC unit cell ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Body centered cubic unit cell. So you already know that in body centered type of unit cell or in body centered type of cubic unit cell, the constituent particles are present at 8 corners, including that in addition to 8 corner particles, one of the constituent particle is present at the center of the unit cell. Hence the type of the unit cell is called as what? BCC unit cell anta karitari. So for that just I will write one more time diagram. So I will write one more time a diagram, representation of BCC unit cell. Okay. So this is unit cell. So in BCC unit cell, the constituent particles are present at 8 corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So next, this is 5, 6, 7, and this is 8th constituent particle. See. So in case of body centered cubic unit cell, the constituent particles are present at 8 corners, including 8 corners, that is in addition to 8 corners, one of the constituent particle is present exactly at the center of the body. This is a center of the body or body center of cubic unit cell. Therefore, in case of BCC unit cell, the constituent particles are present at 8 corners. In addition to 8 corners, one of the constituent particle is present at the center of cubic unit cell. Hence, the type of the unit cell is called as body centered cubic unit cell. In short, it is represented as BCC unit cell. We already know the particles which are present at 8 corners whose contribution is 1/8. Clear? The constituent particles which are present at 8 corners whose contribution, whose sharing is 1/8. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, that contribution or sharing of the center of the body, the particle which is present at the center of the body, its contribution completely ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ BCC unit cell, constituent particles are present at 8 corners. So including or in addition to 8 corners, one of the constituent particle is present at the center of the body, at the center of body. A constituent particle which is present at 8 corners, that is the constituent particles which are present at 8 corners, whose contribution is 1/8, whereas one of the particle which is present at the center of the body, its contribution or its sharing is exactly completely whole 1. So therefore now we can calculate the total number of atoms which are present in BCC unit cell. Therefore number of atoms in per unit cell of BCC. ಅಥವಾ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ BCC ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ BCC ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ BCC ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ BCC ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 8 particles are present at 8 corners. Clear? 8 particles are present at 8 corners, and the particles which are present at 8 corners whose contribution is 1/8. So that is here value 1/8 indicates contribution of constituent particles or the sharing of constituent particles. So this is 1/8, that is contribution of corner particles. Including at 8 corners, one of the constituent particle is present. 8 corner particles plus 1 particle at the center of the body. So the number of atoms in per unit cell of BCC, that is equals to 8 corner particles or 8 atoms at 8 corners whose contribution is 1/8 plus in addition to 8 corner particles, 1 constituent particle is present at the center of the body. 1 atom at center of body, and its contribution is exactly 1, that is into 1 anta yak baribek hedri, and sharing of the constituent particle, that is contribution of the constituent particle which is present at center of the body. If you simplify this one, therefore you will get total number of atoms, that is number of atoms in BCC unit cell, that is equals to 8 corner particles whose contribution is 1/8 plus 1 particle at the center of the body, and its contribution is completely 1. Therefore if you simplify this one you will get, so 1 plus next we will get 1. Therefore the total number of atoms which are present in BCC unit cell, ಎಷ್ಟು atoms ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, so totally we will get 2 atoms. So therefore in BCC unit cell, so what is the total number of atoms present in the BCC unit cell? So we will get 2 atoms which are present in the BCC unit cell. The meaning of this one, so one BCC unit cell contains total number of the atoms ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, 2 atoms ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ atoms which are present in one simple cubic unit cell, that is only 1 atom. It means that during the formation of entire crystal BCC unit cell attandre ಎಷ್ಟು atoms ಇರುತ್ತೆ, total number of atoms are 8. lattice point ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ we have 8 corner points, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 corner points and 1 point is present at the center of the body. Total number of these points are called as lattice points anta karitare. In the crystal system or in the crystal lattice, each point indicates constituent particles. Those points are also called as lattice points. The regular order of arrangement of lattice points in a space, the formed compound is called as crystal lattice anta karitare. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್, the constituent particles are present at 8 corners whose contribution is 1 by 8. In addition to this, one of the constituent particle is present at the center of body. The constituent particle which is present at the center of body, its contribution is 1. Therefore, if you simplify this one, you will get the total number of atoms which are present in the BCC unit cell. ಎಷ್ಟು atoms ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? 2 atoms ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, in a BCC unit cell, the constituent particles are present at 8 corners and also one constituent particle is present at the center of the body. Here you can observe. So, the particles which are present at 8 corners, whose contribution is 1 by 8. For that you will get 1 atom. And here you can observe one of the constituent particle which is present at the center of body. Its complete sharing is 1. Therefore, now we can calculate the total number of atoms present in BCC unit cell. That is, number of atoms in BCC unit cell, that is equals to 8 corner particles whose contribution is 1 by 8. That is equals to 1 atom. And one particle which is present at the center of body, its contribution is 1. Therefore, that is equals to 1 atom. Therefore, total number of atoms present in BCC unit cell is 2 atoms. Okay. Similarly, we will discuss FCC unit cell. Calculate the total number of atoms present in FCC unit cell. That is face centered cubic unit cell. Inside it is represented as FCC ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, or it is also represented as HCP. It is hexagonal close packing or cubic close packing, or it is also represented as CCP ಅಂತ representation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Face centered cubic unit cell ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, hexagonal close packing type of unit cell ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, cubic close packing CCP unit cell ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, that we have to calculate now. That is the total number of atoms present in FCC unit cell. So for that I will draw a diagram of a representation of FCC unit cell, face centered cubic unit cell, or which is also called as hexagonal close packing, or it is also represented as cubic close packing. See, in face centered cubic unit cell, the constituent particles are present at 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These points are corner particles in crystal system. These points are called as what? Lattice points anta karitiri. FCC unit cell means a unit cell having constituent particles at 8 corners. In addition to 8 corners, the constituent particles are also present at each faces. unit cell having 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is the square bracket idella one face. Next this square bracket, that is one more face. In the previous video, clearly I shown how to identify 6 spaces in the unit cell. You can just watch the previous video. So this is one face. At the center of this face, one constituent particle. So below of this face, opposite face, second constituent particles. Next left side dalli one constituent particle, right side dalli one constituent particle. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ square bracket ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, so in this square bracket dalli, so next one more constituent particle. This square bracket dalli one more constituent particle. At the center of the body, one constituent particle. So next, at the center of this body, one more constituent particle. C means what is the total number of lattice finds in FCC unit cell? 8 corner particles as well as 6 facial particles. Total number of lattice finds ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? 8 plus 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 14 lattice finds. 14 constituent particles FCC unit cell ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ what is the total number of atoms that involves during a formation of entire crystal? That we have to calculate now. So the particles which are present at 8 corners, whose contribution is 1 by 8. The constituent particles which are present in 8 corners, whose contribution is 1 by 8. In addition to 8 corners, constituent particles are also present at 6 spaces. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 spaces ದಲ್ಲಿ constituent particles present ಇದೆ. So ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ 1 by 8 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, as well as the particle which is present at the center of the body, its contribution, its sharing is completely 1. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಫೇಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 50%. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 2. Therefore, to calculate the total number of atoms present in FCC unit cell, therefore number of atoms in FCC unit cell, FCC unit cell ಅಂತ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, that is equals to 8 particles at 8 corners and whose contribution is 1 by 8. That is sharing of the constituent particles or the contribution of constituent particles. Including at 8 corners, the constituent particles are also present at 6 spaces. So plus, so 6 constituent particles at each spaces, 6 constituent particles at each spaces, whose contribution is 1 by 2. Whose sharing is 1 by 2 or half, 50%. Therefore, if you simplify this one, we will get total number of total number of atoms present in face centered. That is 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so you will get total number of atoms present in FCC. ಇದನ್ನು simplification ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. So for that you have marks. So 1 plus 6 by 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3. Therefore total number of atoms present in FCC unit cell ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? So you will get totally 4 atoms you will get. Therefore
ಅಥವಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, in FCC unit cell the constituent particles are present at 8 corners. In addition to 8 corners, here you can observe the constituent particles are also present at each spaces. Since unit cell consists of 6 spaces, therefore in FCC unit cell the constituent particles are also present at each spaces, and the particles which are present at 8 corners, whose contribution is 1 by 8. For that we will get 1 atom. And the particles which are present at each spaces, whose contribution is half, 1 by 2. Here also you can observe. Therefore the total number of atoms which are present at face centered, we will get 3 atoms. Therefore 3 atoms from face center and 1 atom for corners, that is from 8 corners. Therefore, the total number of atoms present in FCC unit cell, 8 corner atoms whose contribution is 1 by 8, for that will get 1 atom, and 6 face centered atoms whose contribution is 1 by 2, for that will get 3 atoms. Hence, the total number of atoms present in FCC unit cell is 4 atoms. So this is all about how to calculate the total number of atoms present in per unit cell.
So in this way, so you can calculate the total number of atoms present in different types of unit cells. That is the number of atoms present in simple cubic unit cell, body centered unit cell, and face centered unit cell. This is all about how to calculate the number of atoms present in per unit cell. So this part is very important for 2 marks. 2 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Calculate the number of atoms present in BCC unit cell ಅಂತಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಸೊ 2020 ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 11 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ BCCನೋ ಅಥವಾ FCCನೋ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯು. Okay, so in this way, so we can calculate the number of atoms present in per unit cell. Nodri, simple cubic unit cell dalli constituent particles are present only at 8 corners, hence its contribution is 1 by 8. On simplification you will get 1 atom in one simple cubic unit cell. Similarly, in a body centered cubic unit cell, constituent particles are present at 8 corners. In addition to 8 corners, one of the constituent particle is present at the center of the body. Particles which are present at 8 corners whose contribution ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ 1 by 8, and a constituent particle which is present exactly at the center of the body, its contribution is 1. Therefore, on simplification you will get 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 2 atoms in per unit cell of BCC. Similarly, in FCC unit cell, constituent particles are present at 8 corners. In addition to 8 corners, constituent particles are also present at each faces. Since the unit cell has 6 faces, particles which are present at each face whose contribution is half, that is 1 by 2. Therefore, on simplification, what you will get? 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Constituent particles are present at each faces. Since we have 6 faces in unit cell, therefore 6 ಏನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ? Constituent particles present at 6 faces into 1 by 2 ಏನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ? Contribution of the sharing of the constituent particles present at each face, that is 6 into 1 by 2. Next line ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus 3. Therefore, total number of atoms in FCC unit cell ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? 4 atoms ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So in this way, easily you can calculate the number of atoms present in per unit cell of simple cube, BCC unit cell as well as FCC unit cell. In this class we discussed only the calculation of number of atoms present in per unit cell. Okay, so ವಿಡಿಯೋ 3 ಮತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋ 4 ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 4 ವಿಡಿಯೋ, write notes on part 3 as well as part 4. Okay, thank you.